to Da Nang. Welcome to another beautiful sunset time here on the beach. This video is very important, guys. If you're planning to go to Da Nang and want to stay around the beach area, I will show you all construction sites at the moment next to the hotels, and I hope that will help you find the right spots. Today is June the 2nd, okay? June the 2nd. We're also going to check out the brand new beach club, how far they are today. I kind of believe or hope they're going to finish this week. I mean, a lot of people worked there the other day, so I can, maybe a week. In Vietnam, they're very fast. It looks also very, very beautiful today. The sunset time here on the beach. We don't have the sunset on the water, but we have it over there. But we still have a very nice colors. But also these beautiful colors and a nice temperature comes with a lot of people here on the beach. So here, this is basically the first beachfront hotel here in Da Nang. There's no construction site on the left. There's just a parking right now. But there is a little bit of a construction site behind, very small and minor, but a huge construction site next to it. Yet still, we have in between the construction site and the Yara Ocean Hotel, we have a building that never finished. And I don't think they're working on it. So it could take away all the noise from the construction site here. But yeah, look at this beautiful sunset here on the beach. Looks fantastic. Hello. Yeah, this colors is just like different. It's just beautiful. Look at this. That's the shot, guys. And it really does look so beautiful at the moment. Let me check the time. But it is also completely packed. And it is a Tuesday, 6:15 p.m. 3 hours ago, when there was everything full of sun, it was probably completely empty. So there we go. We have a little bit of construction here right next to the Holiday Beach Hotel. The Holiday Beach Hotel, but it is already done. So I see already some lights in there. It's going to be a restaurant or something like that. And I believe they either way already opened, soft opened, or they will be opening this week. So no real construction site right at the Holiday Beach. But keep in mind, this is a huge one. It's going to be a high rise. All right. The waves are a little bit higher today. It's still very nice, and it's just the look, the summer look in Da Nang. It's like if you make it through the hot and humid day, you get rewarded with this beautiful look at the beach. This is also, I don't know where you go down here, but if you're scared on crossing the streets in Vietnam, here in Da Nang, and this is the only underpath. You go down here and you come up there. This is also the Holiday Beach. So at the Holiday Beach, there's one little stairs down, go under the street and then come up here again. This is also pretty new. Very nice looking. And it just finished up the building, guys. But yeah, look at this. It's fantastic. Just all the right colors you want. Golden hour is really magical here at the moment, right now. I hope it looks good on a TV you're probably watching. I think 75% of you watching on TVs. So try to keep it as steady as possible. Lots of motorbikes parked here, I don't know why. I don't think it's legal to park here. But I guess in the evening it's no problem. This business also expanded a lot. They have so many more chairs and beds than before. They're also selling super affordable beer, coconuts, and lockers as well. You can lock your items over there, your valuables. How safe that really is with the rusty lockers, I don't know. But at least there's some safety to it. Because even though Da Nang is a super safe city in a super safe country, yet still, sometimes unsafe people enter the city because they see a lot of tourists here. And it's not only locals from somewhere else, but also tourists, dumb tourists, very dumb tourists who come here and trying to make a buck or two and stealing. It's not that often, but I heard it here and there in my time here, at least 5 to 10 times. People got their stuff stolen here. And even the government, or like the city is saying that through the speakers. I think at 6 o'clock or 5, and every hour they say something like, keep your valuables to you and don't leave it unattended, because there are thieves here. I would always suggest you keep your valuables in the hotel. Maybe don't bring your phone and detox. I always do that when I go on vacation. I always do a 3-hour detox from the phone. It's nice. Who cares about time anyways? You don't need a phone, you don't need a watch. Just take 500,000 dong with you. That's enough for as much beer as you want to drink. Or maybe if you're Australian, you drink more than 20 beers. So maybe then take 1 million with you. Alright guys, let's continue. We have the Eden Hotel, TMS, Antoy Hai San restaurant. This is a seafood place, and the Balcona. As you can see here, on the first side there's no construction, but behind the whole row here is a construction site. So it could be loud. If you're not facing the beach, you're facing the city, you could have a little bit of an issue with this huge new project what they're building there. But I met a lot of people from TMS over the last week, in this week, and I only heard good things about the TMS. So shout out to TMS. You're delivering, guys. Oh, lovely. Seeing my friends again. Actually, super interesting thing. He's English, she's Russian, and they got the baby in Sri Lanka. What a mix, right? Crazy. This is amazing. And they were also here. I think they were also both in my video, pros and cons of living in Da Nang. A little bit, I don't know, 1.5 years ago. At least 1.5 years ago. I filmed a video on that with them as well. And there they actually said Da Nang is so small, if you dating around and you break up, then you will also see your ex-partner all the time. This is something like that. This is what they said. Oh, that's so funny. See so many Vietnamese with the cameras on the head always and a bicycle driving around here. I'm wondering how they call the channels or where they even film it. For YouTube or for TikTok. Oh, check this out, guys. We have M Hotel. So the problem with the M Hotel at the moment is this and this construction site. So if you are low floor and towards the side, you might have an issue here if you're a light sleeper. Also, this is a huge issue at the moment. Like this guy, for example, he cannot even shift, you know. He rented out a motorbike and he does not know how to shift from the first gear. No hate, I would not know it either, but he should not have a motorbike, you know. So they're driving on the first gear all the time because they don't know how to shift. It's a problem, and this is what also a problem on these main streets, right? Right next to Rosa Mia Hotel are two big construction sites here. So I have no idea what they build over there. Would be very nice to know. Well, I don't know. Maybe another big building? That would be crazy. But next to Rosa Mia, in between Rosa Mia and Haiyan, is also a new high-rise getting constructed. So somehow, if you're in Rosa Mia, you probably have the loudest there. You need to keep that in mind. It's very important to subscribe to this channel so you at least know what you're getting into if you book these hotels. Because I made hotel reviews of all of them, but at the time I made the hotel reviews, there were no construction sites. I always do some updates here on the beach every week. At least once a week I do this. So if you want to know what's going on there, don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's free. So, and right next to Haiyan is another one, but they are a little bit slower. And at some point they stopped, and now they're somehow slowly starting again to build something right next to Haiyan. And right next to Haiyan, this one, they're constructing very slow, but next to it, they're demolishing this one hotel, Serene Hotel. So this is a constant thing. And I think it will maybe take a few more weeks or months. And after they demolished it, guess what? They will not leave this premium land empty. They will 100% construct something too. So Muang Thang, it really depends how high you are and what side you're facing. At the moment, I would say Nesta Hotel might be the quietest because you don't have any construction around that area. You have a very large space next to Nesta, empty, but nothing, no construction going on there yet. It's very busy right now here on the beach. We have a lot of people playing still volleyball, but they also have these mobile ones they just take away and bring home again. So there are some from the city. I think they are stationary. They always stay there. But then there are extra ones. I think it's probably also very easy to buy a volleyball net somewhere. and volleyballs. It's huge here. Yeah, this is sunset time here, guys. Very nice. Ooh. Yeah, also this is also very busy here. Here on the left side, I don't have to show you, there's nothing going on here. No construction, but also no hotel. Right now, I would say if you want to do some activity outside, you have to wake up early and you have to go out late at this time of the day. So we'll definitely have more nighttime videos. A lot of you like these, so not with this camera, I will have it with my other camera. But nighttime videos, and also tomorrow I will go to Soncha and will start a little bit of a series over there. Because I think lots of places have changed there as well. I've been to Soncha here and there. I have also some videos some months ago, but I will go back there and we'll film. Maybe I also saw in the comments you want to see some videos close to the Soncha mountain, and I will also go there because, to be honest, I'm also very, very curious how it looks over there right now. Because it was always like this very sleepy neighborhood, but I believe they're building there extremely as well. So I don't know how sleepy it still is, or if it's just like another Antung area. Oh, look at this. So the sun goes down over there. It looks very nice. But now, that's it. Sun is gone. So here, if you're wondering, DLG would be the next hotel in this row that everyone can order a book. There's no real construction next to it, so DLG is always like a hidden gem, I would say. It's not the most modern one. It's like old school a little bit, but it's good quality. A lot of people said good things about it when they stayed there. 2 pools, one on the bottom, one on the roof of the front office or the lobby. Very interesting, very hidden. There's a gym. Might be a very good option because you can also still walk here to the Antung area, which is basically this little blob. Very lit up here. Lots of people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the next video here. This here, wow, this is fantastic. God bless you and see you in the next one.